Hey everyone, welcome back to English Flow Zone, where learning English is easy and fun. I am David.
Hey, David. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you today?
I'm good. A little tired, actually.
Oh, why are you tired?
Because of work. I had a long day yesterday.
I understand that feeling.
Yeah, work can be tiring sometimes.
True. But today, we are going to talk about something really useful.
What is that?
Yes, go ahead.
If you enjoy learning English like this, please like this video.
And subscribe to our channel.
It really helps us. And it helps you too.
Because you will get more videos like this every week.
Okay, let's start.
Let's start.
True. But seriously, this is what we do. Yes, David and I teach English through this channel.
Every video you watch here is a real English lesson.
But it doesn't feel like a lesson.
No, it feels like a conversation.
Between friends.
Exactly. That is how we teach.
No boring textbooks.
No difficult grammar rules.
Just simple, natural English.
Yes, the way people really talk.
So if you are new here, welcome.
We are so happy you found us.
Stick with us, and your English will improve.
One video at a time.
One conversation at a time.
Okay, now, what about the other jobs?
Good idea. There are so many kinds of jobs.
Yes, let's start with some common ones.
Okay. Teacher.
We already know that one.
True. Let's try another. Doctor. A doctor helps sick people.
Yes, doctors work in hospitals.
My cousin is a doctor, actually.
Oh, really? That's a great job.
Yes, but very tiring, too.
I can imagine. Long hours.
Very long hours. Sometimes all night.
Wow, that is hard work.
I remember once she fell asleep on a video call with me.
She was that tired?
Yes, mid-sentence, just gone.
Oh, nice. Computers are the future.
That's exactly what he says, too.
Smart guy. Okay, next job. Driver.
A driver drives a car, or a bus, or a truck.
Yes, drivers help people travel.
I take a taxi every morning.
To come to work?
Yes, traffic is so bad in the morning.
Traffic is bad everywhere. One time, my driver took a wrong turn.
Oh, what happened?
We ended up 30 minutes late.
And he kept apologizing the whole way. Poor guy. Okay, next job. Farmer.
A farmer grows food.
Vegetables, fruits, rice.
Farmers work very hard.
Early morning, hot sun, hard work.
Without farmers, we would have no food.
Very true. Okay, next job. Cook.
A cook makes food in a restaurant.
I love watching cooking shows.
Me too, actually.
Do you know how to cook?
A little bit. Just simple food.
Haha, same here. We already know that.
Okay, one more job. Waiter.
A waiter works in a restaurant too?
But a waiter doesn't cook.
No, a waiter brings food to the table.
And takes your order.
What would you like to eat?
That's a good waiter sentence. Last one. Police officer.
A police officer keeps people safe.
They stop bad things from happening.
Very brave job.
Yes, very brave. Let me tell you something funny that happened to me yesterday.
Oh no, what happened?
So yesterday, I was going to work,
Okay.
and I was in a big hurry.
You were always in a hurry.
True, so I left the house quickly.
Okay, then what happened?
I reached my office, sat at my desk,
Okay.
and then I opened my bag.
Yes.
My laptop was not there.
What? You forgot your laptop?
Yes, I forgot my laptop at home.
David, how?
I don't know. I was thinking about breakfast.
Thinking about food instead of work?
Exactly. My brain was somewhere else.
So what did you do? I had to go all the way back home. Oh no, that must have taken a long time. Yes, 1 hour just for the laptop. That is so funny.
It was not funny yesterday, but it is funny today.
True. These things always feel funny later.
Yes, exactly. Okay, let's talk about our daily work routine.
Good idea. Let's do it.
So, Alice, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 in the morning.
Oh, quite early.
Yes. What about you?
I wake up at 6:30.
Wow. Even earlier.
Yes, I like the quiet morning time.
True. Mornings are peaceful.
So, what do you do after waking up?
First, I drink a cup of tea.
Same here. Tea first, everything else after.
Tea is very important.
Very important. Then what?
Then I get ready for work.
What time do you leave home?
I leave home at 9.
I leave a little later, 9:30.
Oh, okay. What time do you start work?
I start work at 10.
I also start at 10.
Nice. Same time.
So, what do you do first at work?
First, I check my messages.
Same here. Messages and emails first.
Then I plan my lessons for the day.
I do that too. Planning is so important.
Yes. Without planning, everything feels messy.
True. Okay, so what happens in the middle of the day?
Around 1 o'clock, I take a lunch break.
Same time for me.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
Something simple, maybe rice and vegetables.
I usually eat sandwiches.
Sandwiches every day.
Yes, I am not a big cook.
True, we already know that.
Okay, after lunch, what do you do?
I continue working, teaching more classes.
Same here. Afternoon is usually very busy.
Yes, time goes fast in the afternoon.
True. Before you know it, it's evening.
What time do you finish work?
I finish at 5 in the evening.
I finish a little later, 6 in the evening.
Oh, that's a long day.
Yes, sometimes it feels very long.
What do you do after work?
I usually relax, maybe watch something.
I like to go for a small walk after work.
Oh, that's healthy.
Yes, it helps me relax my mind.
That's a good habit.
Thank you. So, what time do you sleep at night?
I sleep around 11.
I sleep a little earlier, 10:30.
You sleep early.
And wake up early, too.
Yes, early to bed, early to rise.
Very true saying.
Okay, Alice, let's talk about something interesting now.
What is that?
What do you like about your job?
Oh, good question. Let me think.
Take your time.
I think I like meeting new students every week.
Oh, that's nice.
Yes, every student is different.
True. You learn something new from them, too.
Exactly. It keeps my job interesting. What about you, David? What do you like? Wait, I mean, what do you like about your job?
You called yourself David.
Oh, no. Sorry.
It's okay. These small mistakes happen.
Oh, okay. Let me ask again. David, what do you like about your job?
I like explaining things simply.
Oh, that's a good quality for a teacher.
Yes. When a student finally understands, I feel so happy.
That feeling is amazing.
Truly amazing. Okay, now let's talk about dislikes.
Ooh, the harder question.
Yes. What do you dislike about your job?
I don't like too many meetings.
Same here.
Meetings take so much time.
Yes, sometimes unnecessary meetings.
Exactly. We could just send a message instead.
So true.
What do you dislike, David?
I don't like waking up early.
But you said you like the quiet morning.
Yes, I like it after I wake up.
But waking up itself is hard.
Exactly. The waking up part is the problem.
I understand that feeling.
Everyone understands that feeling.
True. Mornings are difficult for many people.
Yes. Okay, what else do you dislike?
I don't like correcting the same mistake again and again.
That can be frustrating.
Yes, but it's part of teaching.
True. Patience is important in our job.
Very important. Maybe the most important thing.
I agree completely.
What else do you dislike?
I don't like too much paperwork.
Oh, yes. Paperwork is boring.
Very boring, but necessary sometimes.
True. Every job has some boring parts.
Yes, no job is perfect.
Exactly. But the good parts make it worth it.
Well said.
Thank you.
So let's ask our viewers now.
Yes, good idea.
What do you like about your job?
And what do you dislike about your job?
Think about it for a moment.
Maybe write it down in your mind.
Or better, write it in the comments. Okay, so we covered a lot today.
Yes. Jobs, routines, likes and dislikes, even interview practice.
A really full lesson.
Yes, you all did amazing today.
So before we go, let's ask you something.
Yes, this is your turn now.
Tell us in the comments, what is your job?
Or what job do you dream about?
Maybe you already have your dream job.
Or maybe you are still working towards it.
Either way, we want to know.
Write it in English. Don't worry about mistakes.
We all make mistakes, even us.
Yes, remember the laptop story.
We will never forget that one.
Okay, so please share your answer below.
We really do read the comments.
Yes, and sometimes we reply too.
So don't be shy.
Just write a simple sentence.
My job is...
Or my dream job is...
That's all you need.
Simple, but great practice.
Okay, before we finish completely,
Yes,
if you enjoyed this video,
please give it a like.
and if you are new here,
Please subscribe to our channel.
we upload new videos every week.
New topics, new conversations, new practice.
All in simple, clear English.
Perfect for beginners like you.
Thank you so much for watching today.
Yes, thank you all. We really appreciate you.
Keep practicing every day.
Even 5 minutes a day makes a difference.
Small steps, big results.
Beautifully said.
Okay, everyone. See you in the next video.
Keep smiling, keep learning.
And remember, English Flow Zone is always here for you.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.